Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Dave.
Artlist.io.
Got anything good this morning?
Not at the moment. Just sat down at the chart, so just getting caught up here.
Music licensing.
And good morning, Jose. Let's see here, so let's get a picture. All right. I took a gold short yesterday
Oh yeah.
when it collapsed, and I hit my first personal daily profit target.
Nice. Good deal. Good deal.
So luckily that was in place, or else I would have really blown the consistency rule out. Because it sold it for me, and I was like,
reimagined.
it's going down, yeah. Then all of a sudden it was locked out. I'm like, oh, okay.
Yeah, those consistency rules can be a pain in the butt.
Yeah, totally. All right.
Artlist.io.
Well, we just gonna take a quick look at financial juice here. We got 10 seconds to the open. We got EIA crude inventory at 7:30, so an hour from now. Tesla earnings today. Trump meeting.
Music licensing reimagined.
Whole bunch of hooey today.
Yeah.
Hold on one second. I'm sure she's around somewhere. Oh, I think she's over there.
Dow and ES are starting to pull back here, or NQ, sorry.
Artlist.io.
I can barely hear you.
Oh, sorry, I was looking away from my mic there.
Gotcha. Hold on one second. I will be right back.
Sounds good.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Hey there, Dad. Good morning.
So you think we're going to have a continuation of yesterday's sell-off?
Artlist.io.
I mean, hard to say. Because, like, really, we've just gone sideways since yesterday. Or are you talking about gold? In general?
Yeah, for your gold trade.
Yeah,
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh yeah, it looks like it's definitely down a lot, eh? Even more. We did rally pretty good there, actually. And then ended up selling off again. Yeah, we'll just have to keep an eye on gold this morning. Might present similar opportunity. Oh, there's a coffee pot. One second.
Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, Ak, how's it going?
Hey, there's Ak. Good morning, Ak. Well, good morning from us. No, it's not good morning for you.
Ak's in Thailand, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Lucky dog.
Artlist.io.
And
Started
there's
to sound like
Trevor.
Randy.
Yeah. Good morning there, Trevor.
Music licensing reimagined.
So, NQ's pulling up. We're just below previous day low right now. Looking pretty bearish though, eh?
Yeah, it's not looking healthy.
We're heading straight to, I guess we've already taken overnight lows on NQ. Yeah. So we've already cleared out London lows.
Bit of a drop on ES. They've got orders up at 67.8250
Artlist.io.
and just below it's 67.65.
Yep. I guess my CVD did reset at 6:30. It looks like. Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
I think today is going to be a day to test my patience. See if I can actually wait for something good here.
Yeah. Well, everything's just saying go short right now.
Yeah. But it's 9:35, so
Yeah, I know. Kind of breaking the rules. Yeah, it freaked me out yesterday. I
Music licensing.
logged into my
reimagined.
Lucid accounts, and it was like they all said paused. And I'm like, what the heck's going on? But they were doing like some maintenance or something. So
are they on Project X?
yeah,
Yeah, that's why. Apparently Project X has been having some issues. I just opened my trade day account and seems to be working fine.
Artlist.io.
oh yeah. Yeah, it was. I did reach out to them, and they said it looks like all my copy trading got changed too here. Yeah, they removed all the copy trading.
Music licensing reimagined.
There we go. We're going. Well, looks like I can trade the mechanical model today. If I can get a bearish fair value gap to be inverted here on NQ, I can look to take a long, targeting 10-15 points. So basically, it looks like if we take our previous day low at 202 and get a candle closure, I can take a short long. A short long.
How are you going to do that one, buddy?
That's a good question.
So do me a favor and check your Project X accounts on trade day. I decided to do a little test with a micro, just in and out, and it's rejecting orders saying that it is the market is currently closed. Please try again during trading hours. So
my Project X just accepted an order.
Did it? All right.
Trade day.
Music licensing reimagined.
Reboot that one.
Artlist.io.
So looking like we are getting that inverted fair value gap currently. So if we can hold sort of this level, looking like a long.
Music
Think so.
licensing reimagined.
Yeah. Well, Zach's mechanical model tends to work pretty good. So 6 seconds here on this candle. Yeah, we inverted it, so basically you can enter long here.
You looking at ES?
No, I'm on NQ.
Okay.
With a stop sort of a little bit lower than the most recent low. We do have the New York VWAP in the way, but if they can just take that, should be easy sailing just to that target. Tried to add one there. It looks like I missed it, and I'm out. So it worked really good. Worked really good. But I should have hit buy market instead of buy join bid.
So I'm actually in a long on NQ at 219.50.
Very nice. Well, you got room probably at least a value area low, and then we also have point of control, which is just above the end of the pre-market there. Should have went with bigger size. I only went with one micro there, so I was down $50 from a trade yesterday, so that trade brought me down to only $8 now. So looking pretty good right now, though.
Not a bad trade. Just closed out of it, so
beautiful. There you go.
That's my one scalp for the day within opening range.
Yeah. And you're before the first 15 minutes. Oh,
that's what I'm saying. In the opening range, I took a trade.
Yeah, we're bending the rules today.
Yep.
Not financial advice, Jose and Ack and Trevor.
I'm playing with house money today, so
nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh geez, there's 2 people in my X channel today. I haven't seen anyone in my X lately. And look at that pop still, hey? Jeez.
The only time I know if anyone's in my X channel is when you tell me.
Yeah. You got 3
I
in
appreciate
your
that,
X.
by the way. What's that?
You got 3 in your X.
Oh, shit.
2 in mine, 3 in yours, and 7 in Randy's. And then we got 4 in my YouTube and 2 in Randy's YouTube. And then, you know,
Artless
the Twitch bot.
The Twitch bot.
The Twitch bot.
Twitch bots.
Well, in a bit of a pullback here. Rejected off the overnight view up there. On ES anyways. NQ didn't quite make it there, but value area low.
Music licensing reimagined.
Sort of resistance. Didn't take a look at gold yet. Been watching Dow. Gold looking strong, hey? Gold
Looking
popped up
strong.
nice. Yeah, it popped up
That's
pretty
surprising. Wow, NQ's got orders everywhere right now.
good. I didn't look at that. Let's see.
So we got a bunch up at 300.
Oh yeah.
Like a lot at 300.
Yeah, that's
See
a
if we
big
close
pile.
that price up.
Artlist.io.
Let's do that. It's got to go through VWAP, so.
Mm-hmm. That electronic view.
And the 9 and the 21. And yeah, so we'll see if it goes up a little bit. I'm not going to jump into that right away. That's still
Yeah.
55 points above current price.
Music
Yeah.
licensing reimagined.
I mean, I would love to take 55 points on NQ right now, but I'm not pushing my luck.
Yeah, right.
I
Especially.
mean, I had a stellar day yesterday, so today I'm just gonna
Try not to lose
chill
it.
out a little bit. Yeah,
Right? That's the goal today. Just add a little bit if you can, but just don't lose any.
yep.
Don't lose it.
Do not lose what I made yesterday, and
Artlist.
that's really about it.
So did it end up being like 160,000 roughly?
Yeah, a little bit more than that after my third trade.
What? Jose, you gotta be kidding me, right? Y'all made me break my rules too, following both of you. Blew my accounts?
What? How?
Music
kidding though, right?
licensing reimagined.
Jose, don't play with us. How can you blow your account on that trade if you followed us? Yeah. See, I knew he was joking.
Artlist.io.
I certainly hope so.
Because, like, if you followed the trade, there's like, you would have had to do some serious mismanagement there.
Yeah, or serious sizing issues. That could be a bit too, with that little bit of a pullback that we had. If you're trading a 50K account with $2,000 worth of drawdown
Music licensing
and throwing like
reimagined.
5 minis on there, yeah,
Maybe.
you could blow it out.
I guess so. But did you end up
Alright.
taking that trade, Jose, or no?
All right, I got my long in now.
You're back in long?
Back in long
Nice.
at 255. Oh,
Artlist.io.
What happened?
gonna add a couple to that.
Music licensing reimagined.
Playing around with value area high or value area low there. I'm gonna join you here.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I think I got into it a little bit premature, but I'll take it.
I'm getting a bit of a pullback right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
I usually use 3 micros when I do Zach's mechanical model. Today I only used 1 contract. So
I'm only using 2 micros right now.
I'm in with Uno Reverso.
Artlist.io.
And I'm out. Not liking this price action.
Yeah, I'm not loving it either. We still holding that 9 EMA on the 1 minute.
Music licensing reimagined.
But it is looking like it's a little heavy. That's for sure.
I'll take this little bit of a pullback and just deal with it.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I'm gonna give it an Austin stop for now.
Like 100 points out.
82 actually to the low. I won't let it get there, obviously. Hopefully not.
Yeah.
But
But you got that safety net down there just in case it does go against you.
in case Trump decides to come on and talk about China.
Artlist.io.
Is he gonna talk? Is he gonna say something stupid today? Well, it's a day that ends in Y, so probably.
Music licensing reimagined.
And not very nice. These bearish candles. There we go. Give me a little pop. So was that was opening range was already set at that high, right? Yeah. If we break the opening range, I'm probably just put my stop break like slightly in the money and then see if we can get it to continue a little higher. Yeah, that was a pretty wild trade on gold. I was actually long, and I had my stop set, and then it was like after 3 p.m.
Oh yeah.
And then I was actually driving, and then I just happened to open my app, and as soon as I opened the app, like my the stop got hit. So then I'm like, oh my god, and it went straight through it, like right through the stop, and kept going. So I was like, oh geez. So I hit short. So I got short 1, and then it went lower, started pulling back, so I added 1 more to it, and then it just flushed like no business, just like 30, I don't know, 50 points, something, I don't know, just flushed straight down, and yeah, then that's when my personal daily profit target locked me out. It's kind of a good way to be locked out, but.
So I should always have a stop loss in.
Yeah. Or a take profit. Or take profit if you've got a consistency,
with the consistency rules, definitely.
That would be nice
myself on that.
Consistency score on that account. If I would have been in, like, I think my TPT Pro accounts, those ones you don't have consistency, right? Oh, that would have been
something. That's true.
Oh, if I was
or your
payout.
Take profit trader, you got no consistency rule after you're funded.
Yeah, like the pro. Nice. Yeah.
So that's nice.
Artlist.io.
All right. Well, I'm gonna bring my stop into money here. We're slightly above the opening range, so let's see if we can't get this one contract to work for us here. What's Randy doing, man? He must be doing something right now.
He's hanging out, just swimming with the kids.
Summoning Randy B candles while we're sitting here.
I hope so.
I'm gonna turn on ASFX. I haven't even looked over there yet. Wednesday.
Artlist.io.
Randy, Evan, and Mr. Austin.
Randy, Evan, and who?
Austin.
Oh, Austin.
Mr. Austin.
Music
I'm gonna open up Zach Voyage into here real quick, see what he's doing. Come on, boys. Let's get some continuation today. We're due for a grinder day, grinder hired day.
Here's hoping.
Artlist.io.
Interesting. So Zach Boyajian's got a lineup of guests that he's gonna have, and what is it? Prop for Match TV announcing. What is this? Zach Anthony's or Zach Arbucci is I don't know what he's doing, but he's hosting. You must know about that.
He's posting what?
He's like hosting Prop for Match TV.
Oh yeah, I saw that yesterday, I believe.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh geez, I almost want to trail this tight here. I guess I'll just move to the top of the range here, because this is kind of like at the point where you should be taking profit on the first break of the range usually. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it break even here, or a little bit in the profit anyways.
Artlist.io.
So prop for match like TV, what is that? You know what that is? Like, is it a
No idea.
YouTube channel or something?
I would assume so, but
Music licensing
Who knows?
reimagined.
Zach's gonna be
send
the
Zach a
host.
message and find out.
I don't want to get stopped out yet, guys. Don't do it, please. Please. Found some buyers at opening range high.
Artlist.io.
Coffee time, coffee time.
It's always that time.
Music licensing reimagined.
Come on, buyers, hold that top of that range, please. Zach Boyajian's doing a giveaway.
Oof. This movement is not good.
Artlist.io. licensing reimagined.
Looks like I might get stopped out here. I'm like a couple ticks away from being stopped out in profit.
You in long or short?
Long.
Long.
Yeah, I'm out there. That's too bad. Should have taken that $60.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, I took a long at 260.50.
Nice. That's a good entry.
Artlist.io.
All right, I just added 3 contracts to it.
Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
See if we can't hold that opening range high right now. That'd be beautiful. Hey.
Artlist.io.
Orders on the book map are up above us still.
Austin's saying he's still like in the long run.
Reimagined.
Yes. I feel like we're gonna get a flush down to potentially down to New York here. See if these buyers can't hold this 21 EMA.
I think it's going to bounce off that.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
That's going to just prove me wrong here, isn't it?
Huh? Hope not. That 9's being the resistance, so if we can get through that 9.
Artlist.io.
Come on. Get up there.
Yeah. Let's get it.
Get it.
Go.
Come on, Randy.
Come on.
Summon one of your candles.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right. That's what I wanted to see.
Yeah. Let's make me feel a little bit better. Let's hold this now. Come on, guys.
Get up there. Talk to it like it's a horse. Giddy up.
Giddy up. We go find us some support of the opening range high there. So we got 300 is our. I'm gonna set my target at like 96.
All right, I got 36 contracts in with an average price of. What's my average price?
$36, eh?
266.
Nice.
Not the best price, but it's doing me okay right now.
Yeah. It's especially after we get this continued pop here. Like volume's looking pretty good too.
Artlist.io.
Just matched that last candle anyways.
All right, I just took a little bit of profit off that, so. And I'm out.
Don't do it, you silly trade. Silly price action. Come on, let's go.
I thought you were calling me a silly there for a minute.
No.
I was like,
No.
something I haven't been called in a while.
I'm just silly price actions falling back down.
Oh, I wasn't mad about it. I fully admit I am a goose of the silly variety. Alright. So that one's done. Time to move on to the next basket.
Nice.
Artlist.io.
Oh, I should have got out too. Should have been using my stop there.
Yeah, I'm of the opinion, just take your profits as they come, and every once in a while you get a
Music
runner,
licensing
but
reimagined.
I'm real happy taking small amounts of profits multiple times.
Artlist.io.
Bounce off that 9 and 21 again, aren't we?
Yeah. This time the 21's sort of projecting more. It seems like.
Music licensing reimagined.
So lower high there though. Not liking that part. It's a pretty big wick on that last 5-minute candle too.
Yeah.
Plus the 5-minute bearish candle before it. See if it can make this a green candle in the last 40 seconds here.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Uh-oh. I don't like it. We need some buyers real quick here.
Music licensing reimagined.
This could be the manipulation we need though to go higher. Hey Zar, morning. We're doing pretty good so far. Nick's green. I took one green trade, but currently red in this one.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I haven't taken any trades on my Take Profit Trader account since
Well, sounds like an issue.
yeah, since the day before yesterday, I think it was.
Artlist.io.
Get on it. What are you thinking there?
We want to blow it. We want to blow the profits. There we go. Take that 9 and hold it. 3 minutes on this candle.
Music licensing reimagined.
Come on, take that range.
Artlist.io.
I'm going to take off 2 of my 3 if we get up to the 80s, the 25 280 level.
Reimagined.
And then I'll drag my stop to break even on the last one. So if you can't get this runner, get a runner to stick around for a bit. A little over 2 minutes left on this candle.
Artlist.io.
Kind of holding value area low. We haven't engaged value. Oh, we did engage value area high last night. So,
I don't think I'm going to be trading ES at all today.
Reimagined.
no. Yeah, that's pretty
looking like-
really sideways and downwards.
Yeah, it's completely range bound. NQ is a better bet.
Come on, NQ. Let's go. Let's see those.
Gold's been getting higher highs, higher lows since
Artlist.io.
7 a.m. New York time.
Struggling
Yeah,
at the top of
today's-
the range there, hey?
Music licensing
What was that?
reimagined.
It's struggling at the top of the range. NQ.
Yeah. Got a bit of resistance. Where's
Artlist.io.
Orders at 65 and 70 there.
So you said Trump is speaking today?
Yeah, there's well, I don't know what he's talking about, but
Neither does he.
that's at 1300, so
Music licensing
in the afternoon.
reimagined.
Anyways,
So until then,
oh, you bugger, man. No new real information, but looks like it wants to come down to New York. We held it on the 5-minute really nicely on the 2 candles ago. Tapped it.
Artlist.io.
all right. I've traded 2 baskets today. Taking 2 trades.
Music licensing
Oh, nice.
reimagined.
So you took a short there?
What's that?
Oh, did you just take a trade?
No, I took one a little bit ago.
Hmm.
So now it's basket number 3.
Nice. I hope I don't regret this, but I added on the New York there.
Artlist.io.
Kind of
Did you?
holding it, so
Okay.
come on, guys.
Music licensing reimagined.
Looking pretty rough though.
You still green?
No, I'm down 130 in this trade right now.
And you're adding to it? Look at you being a DCA guy.
Yeah, it's
I
still.
don't think I like that.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out here.
Artlist.io.
Looks like it.
Huh.
I don't know. I think it might fade you. Yeah. Do it, Jose.
Yeah, I don't think Jose's got the wrong idea.
Music licensing.
I'm not wishing you
reimagined.
any ill will there, Dave, but
Well, the price is
I
what
don't
the price
like-
is, right?
yeah, I do not like the look of your chart.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
That is a bullish fair value gap though that we just dipped into there and finding some support. So let's see if we can't. Hopefully, as long as we can get a closure above here, that'll make me feel like there's still a
Music
chance.
licensing
this is higher.
reimagined.
Currently held that fair value gap. So.
Artlist.io.
You still in that?
Yeah. Almost out. Got a few more points in the way here. Did invert that fair value gap. Well, the candle hasn't closed yet, but it's below the fair value gap. So it ends up bouncing here. Probably gonna get stopped out here though, it looks like. Like it wants to invert that fair value gap.
Artlist.io.
Losing a little more than I was hoping to on this trade. If I do get stopped out, it's gonna be down 300 basically. They're really trying right now, that's for sure.
Reimagined.
Yeah, Czar, I wouldn't be holding anything for more than a couple of minutes right now.
There we go, I'm out. Yeah, it stopped.
Oof.
Oh, and look at that.
ES is tanking too.
Artlist.io.
It's gonna turn around and rip now. Yeah, I don't know, like this is usually why I don't end up trading. I really don't trade very well in these
Reimagined.
in the opening range area. Always make mistakes here for some reason.
Well, if you know that you don't trade well in that area, why are you trading in that area?
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
That sounded judgmental, but it's a serious question.
Yeah, it's definitely a valid question, but yeah, I definitely don't have that much success. I would say, like
Music licensing reimagined.
like around the open, and like my trades are always better, like probably 8 a.m. on my time.
All right. So that's what, 10 o'clock?
Yeah, 10 East Coast. Or 10:30 to 11.
Artlist.io.
Just before lunch, you're going to take your trades. So if you're trading on Project X, you can actually lock yourself out until a specific time.
Music
Yeah.
licensing reimagined.
So let's see what happens at the New York VWAP. Maybe we need to take a short here. If we get a rejection off the New York VWAP here.
Yeah, if you're having trouble with trading within a certain time frame, lock yourself out for like a week, and see if it makes a difference in your P&L at the end of the week. Make a call after that.
That's a good idea.
Just a thought.
YM's pretty heavy. Found some
Music
support at,
licensing reimagined.
I guess that would be Monday's VWAP. Yeah, Monday's VWAP. Figures stops me out and then heads right back up to the New York.
Taking a long on gold.
Okay, I can see gold here.
Got it at 40.86.
Music licensing
Nice.
reimagined.
Gold held the fair value gap,
Twist IO.
the bullish fair value gap.
I'll take that.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I'm only putting a 10-point stop loss on it.
Oh yeah,
I want to be out of this as quickly as possible if it starts going against me.
yeah.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
Zara said it's been decent for the last 1.5 hours for long scalps. London was fun on shorts.
Artlist IO.
Yeah, it looked like London was just sinking. I didn't look at it too much this morning, but it looked like the overnight was just a steady downtrend on it.
Yeah,
Music licensing reimagined.
And I'm out. Lost 10 points on that one.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
I'm currently in a short with 5 on the NQ. Hopefully we can get this a little bit more of a move. I got my TP down at 204.50.
Yeah, it's not too far away.
I got stopped out in profit.
Oh,
62
okay.
So
Music licensing.
I can't really let any more go against me, so it's got to be some small scalps. Don't want to give any more back. I lost 360 on that first trade, so now I'm down only 300. And there we go. Now we're getting that move. More of it.
Pushing down again.
Mm-hmm.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, Dow's looking heavy too here. Gold is looking quite heavy also, eh?
Music licensing reimagined.
That was a good short on NQ. I'm also in that bit lazy today, just scalping with VWAP. That's what Azar said.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Artlist.io.
Scalping off the VWAP is the way to go.
Just watching gold here, like we kind of, if we can break below 59, 40, 59, I feel like there's definitely lots of room
Music
to the downside.
licensing reimagined.
Could easily get, a good 10 points anyways on it.
Yeah, before I start going short on anything or before I put a short in on gold, I want it to get down 40, 55. Well, it's only 10 points away.
Mm-hmm. That's just a little sneeze.
Music licensing reimagined.
Man, I shouldn't have got out of that short on the NQ.
Artlist.io.
Definitely would have hit my TP.
Music licensing.
Is that going to be our higher low on NQ? Looks kind of like it. 173 was a previous low, now 187.
Tough one.
Artlist.io.
Might be going lower still. So we actually have a bullish divergence on NQ versus ES. So ES made a lower low and NQ made a higher low on this recent low so far.
Music licensing reimagined.
You're down at the bottom of the bands too for NQ.
So if they end up holding this, that's a pretty bullish sign for but they're gonna have
NQ now looking to trade. If you're looking to trade off those bands in VWAP, you can go bottom of range to top of range
Artlist.io.
for a long.
yeah. Oh, look at that.
Oh, it broke through the opening range low though.
Crushed it.
There goes that idea.
Czar's making
Music licensing
bank if he's still in that trade.
Oh,
I really failed on that one. I had my profit target at 205, and then I stopped it out at 220, and now it's at 158. Jeez.
yeah, but you have consistency rules that you have to deal with.
Well, I'm down 300, so that wouldn't really matter on this.
Fuck your consistency rules.
Artlist.io.
What a drop.
All right, I'm stepping away for a second. I'll be back.
Okay. Ooh, lots of the volume bars just climbing right now. Looking like there's a bunch of buyers down at this level right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Shorts covering probably.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Are you still in that short, Czar? I'm out of my short. Green on one account. Nice, Jose.
Artlist.io.
We get some continuation here on this. Looking pretty heavy.
Music licensing reimagined.
Took half off at 60 points, left a partial. Nice.
Artlist.io.
Uh-oh. Pretty volatile right here, guys. It's kind of scaring me a bit.
Music licensing
Hey.
reimagined.
Initial balance is set there, guys.
Artlist.io.
What do we have below, though, guys? There's not really anything. I don't have any targets down below. There we go. Nice little closure on that last candle.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Come on, Bears. Let's keep going, please.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Is ours still in that short?
Oh, I was in the short and I got taken out. So I'm only down 220 on the day.
Artlist.io.
On these accounts, I'm down 10 points, so $100 per account on this one.
Music licensing reimagined.
Uh-oh.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Well, this is a boring day.
Yeah.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, I'm short on NQ.
Faded.
And I'm out.
Artlist.io.
Nice trade. I'm out. I lost 140. I tried to take long there and went into profit and then just quickly, went lower.
You faded me?
Music
I was in
licensing
already long before.
Oh,
you.
okay. I was like, why would you do that to me? Why?
Yeah, I don't know if I should be taking any more trades. I'm like kind of back down to where I was now after those two small winners, and then now another loser. I'm back down to 360. It's not making very decisions right now.
Flip this up. All right, that last trade actually got me green for the day on that basket, so
Nice.
I'm up 270 per account.
Music licensing reimagined.
And then it goes right back to my to my price there. Would have been in the profit now after it stopped me out. I don't know, like that's my problem with NQ sometimes. I'm just like a little too tight on my stops.
NQ, the only way that I'm able to trade NQ is those really short time frame scalps. That's the only way I'm ever profitable on it. If I try and hold anything for longer than 5 minutes, it just bites me in the ass every single time. So I don't do it anymore.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right. I'm in a short on NQ again, 25, 118, and just one mini on the next basket.
Yeah, I got out of that one. Quick $100 there.
I got my take profit or my stop loss set at. I just moved it to positive something. 250 bucks.
Gold on Bookmap, Clara?
Music licensing reimagined.
I didn't know that you can. You probably have to get Comex feed or something, right? Also.
Gold on Bookmap, you do need to have Comex data.
Yeah, I tried to look it up and I was like, I don't have it. And then I noticed that, yesterday or something says Comex. I was like, oh, that must be a different data provider. Nice.
Artlist.io.
It's the metals. Comex is all the metals.
Okay, gotcha.
All right, I'm out of that trade.
Yeah, I took that same trade as you. Made $100 on that one.
800?
No, made 100.
Artlist.io.
Sucked me in on those longs at the top of the range. You buggers.
Music licensing reimagined.
Well, I thought when mommy wasn't helping me. So you should do that.
Who's that here there?
Artlist.io.
Is your one of your kids?
Yeah. Little whiners.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Well, it's nice today. I'm a little bit green on everything. It wasn't like yesterday, but
Today was
Music
Crazy.
licensing.
yeah, yesterday was stupid.
one of those crazy days.
Artlist.io.
Took a little scalp on gold actually in my Trade of 8 account here. Made a quick $40 on the two accounts.
All right.
Or TPT. Just trying to
Music
slowly
licensing
chip though with that
reimagined.
silly. What did I do here? Grabbed the wrong chart. Yeah, slowly chipped away at that one, trying to get that to get rid of that buffer. I got a little over $1,000 in each of those two accounts.
Artlist.io.
Just trying to build up your buffer enough to take a payout and leave some in there.
Yeah, first things first is just get rid of that intraday trailing drawdown, right? Gotta
Oh
lock
yeah.
that. But yeah, after I get to 2100, I can be a little bit more loose on those trades. Where it's like right now, it's like as soon as it's going into profit, I'm taking it, right? Relatively fast. Scalps.
Artlist.io.
So, you knew in the beginning, I'm like, I did last year.
Jose made his money back from yesterday's losses.
Nice. Good job, Jose. Trevor, missed both my entries today and waited to chase price, so I'm going to lock out and watch from the sidelines. Yeah, smart move. That's when stuff like that happens, you can possibly tilt like with frustration, right?
Artlist.io.
Got cluster orders up at like 25,175 on NQ, which is basically the bottom of the range.
Music licensing reimagined.
This isn't right here. 52.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I'm in a short here. Stops already break. Stopped out.
Artlist.io.
Liking the momentum on that last candle,
Yep. Me too.
but I'm just being uber aggressive here, trying to scalp back these losses. I'm only 228 down on this account.
Music licensing.
I don't know. I trade better like
Like
your styles too. I just like, short moves. Like that's when I do the best. Like whenever I try to hold it, that's when I end up taking those, $300 losses.
Artlist.io.
But if I just shoot for like 50 to $100, I can make those trades all day long,
It's funny, you and I have a similar thought on that. I like my in and out quickly trades.
Music licensing
We have
reimagined.
Very different analysis, but
Yeah, it's just I don't know how you sometimes just know to flip and like let it run. That's the thing that I don't have is like I usually maybe it's because I'm using a take profit.
Oh yeah, I
But,
never put in a take profit. Stop loss
Yeah.
always goes in though.
Yeah, so maybe that's kind of what I should be
Artlist
trying to do
IO.
less is leave out that take profit or at least put it way down, right?
Oh yeah, on anything that I have a consistency rule on now, I try to do OCO orders, so that way I don't make more than
Music
$1,000 in
licensing
profit
reimagined.
Okay.
on any single trade. But in all honesty, it's getting really frustrating managing all of these accounts. I spend more time managing these accounts than I do actually trading, which is not good for my stress levels.
No doubt.
Artlist IO.
I don't want to take it long there. I think it was a little too slow though.
Music licensing
You're looking at
reimagined.
longs on NQ?
Yeah. We just kind of took this trend line that I had drawn there to the bullish side, but we do have our 21 EMA above, so maybe I should probably be waiting for that to be taken. Or could either trade it back to the bottom of the range and the New York's up there. New York's getting close to the bottom of the range.
It's at the bottom. You're looking at NQ, right?
Yes.
So it's at the bottom of the range. It just pulled up from that on this last 5-minute candle. It's going up towards the 9 and the 21, and it's a third of the way up to VWAP. So
Yeah.
this is not a good place for me.
No.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
I grabbed another $40 there on that long.
Nice.
So only down 192 now.
So today
Music licensing.
I'm green
reimagined.
on 3 baskets.
Wow, that's awesome.
So I'm gonna try and make up my losses on this next basket.
You
This
have
one's only,
fourth basket?
yeah, I'm trading 5 baskets. Each one has 20 accounts in it, except for the last one. That one's only got
Artlist
7.
IO.
Okay.
But that last basket of accounts with the 7 is what I'm trading now. I took some pretty heavy losses on it
Oh, yeah.
end of last week.
Mhm.
So, still have $4,000 in drawdown on all 7 accounts.
Okay. That's nice.
So it's not too bad, but I did take pretty heavy losses last week, so I'm gonna try and make those back today, if possible. Yeah, I just took 2 stupid trades in a row,
Oh yeah.
and yeah,
Music licensing reimagined.
I gently kicked myself after I did it.
I did try another long there. I ended up stopping it out. A small loss. Just it just stalled out as soon as I entered, and I was like, yeah, not liking it.
Trevor, gold futures is worth $100 on a mini, $10 on a micro per point.
Artlist.io.
Wow, $100 a point?
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. So each little, because there's 10 points to it or something?
10 points to a 10 ticks to a point on a mini, and on a micro. But yeah, every tick on a mini is worth $10.
Okay. And every tick on a micro is $1. Gotcha. Yeah.
$1.
Artlist.io.
There's a pretty strong bounce from the lows there.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Need some more expansion here. I was actually asking if that's what it's worth. I've never traded gold. So Trevor was wondering if that's what it was worth. So
Yeah, I saw the question marks in there. That's why I answered it.
okay. You guessed right, Trevor.
You are correct. Give that man his prize.
Oh, gold's pushing lower here.
Mm-hmm.
Music licensing reimagined.
And there are orders underneath it, underneath the current price. So,
You have Comex, obviously.
oh yeah. As a rule, I don't like to trade gold on prop accounts.
Oh yeah.
I always say gold is heavy, oil slippery, nat gas is explosive.
Artlist.io.
In personal accounts where I can hold it for 24 hours, it's not so much of an
Yeah.
issue.
Music licensing reimagined.
NQ found some little bit of support on the 9 and 21 EMA. They just crossed over actually. It's kind of a good sign for a long.
Artlist.io.
I took another little long there, $35. Super scalpy right now. But on that, on that nice green expansion candle, it's kind of like, gotta do it.
Music
So only down
licensing
200 now in these
reimagined.
accounts. Slowly chipping my way back.
I'm only down 2,500 in these accounts.
From like in drawdown.
From last week
Mhm.
on these accounts, I'm down 2,500 from last week. So
Artlist.io.
Gold's kind of like holding the low there. Pretty good.
Artlist.io.
we get any strength to the downside, I'll go in short with a mini.
Ooh, that'll fix your problems real fast if it goes.
Yeah, but if it goes against me,
Yeah.
I'm gonna be eating shit sandwiches for the next couple hours.
Music licensing reimagined.
NQ almost made it to the bottom of the range there. The New York is was sloping down really heavy, and then now it's kind of almost flat. So if we the price climbs much more on NQ, there's a chance we can end up heading back towards the highs, take out that IB high.
Yeah, Trevor, if you've never traded gold before, micros all the way, and watch those charts on the 15 and the hour.
Music licensing reimagined.
I always watch a 15-minute chart and then enter on a 5, and then I'll manage it on a 2. So if you look at a 15-minute chart on gold right now, the past hour, it's just been coming straight down. It's below its low a day, or opening range low.
Artlist.io.
And this current 15-minute candle is red with a bit of a wick on the bottom. You go over to 5, still all red for 30 minutes. Nothing but red candles. So here I'm just waiting for a pullback and then a continuation down.
Nice. Makes sense.
Well, you were saying you don't know how I know when to get in and out. It's mostly just price.
Reimagined.
I'm looking at whatever trend is going on. The price points, where it's trading at, and where the volume is. I don't use any of that fancy ICT stuff. I like my ICT traders like I like my tea. In a bag, submerged in water. You're right about that. With gold, still laughing a bit. When I look at fees and commissions on gold for the day, it's almost 2.5% of my account. Oh yeah, they're rough.
Artlist.io.
Czar, what broker are you using?
Artlist.io.
AMP Futures? I don't know that one.
Reimagined.
AMP Futures, nice.
You know that broker, Dave?
I don't know. I think I've heard of it like months before, but I don't know anything about it.
I probably have an account with them and just forgot about it.
Artlist.io.
Ooh. I almost took a long on gold there a few minutes ago, but I was like thinking about what we were just talking about there, and how it's been in such a downward trend here. We're actually should be thinking about taking a short on the bounce, right? Not so much a long.
There's absolutely no way I'm getting long on gold right now. And somebody's gonna probably watch this. Actually, nobody's watching us, but somebody may look back at this and say, well, there was a double bottom on gold at 4,030.50.
Yeah.
I have a response for that.
Artlist.io.
You can keep your double bottoms and your doji candles.
So Zach Boyajian's doing a giveaway right now, but you had to be in on the start of the
Music licensing.
like right at the start of the stream. He like put up the sign up sheet and then took it away right away. So he's kind of like trying to help everyone who's on time, I guess. Yeah, he's just saying, yeah, it just seems like everyone hops on the stream right at the end of the stream and tries to jump in on the duck race, and he's like trying to give it to the people who are here from the
Investing and options trading and stock trading years ago, and made a little bit of money, lost a little bit of money, made a little bit of money, lost a little bit more money, and actually started doing really well with options, and was always too nervous to get into futures. Finally made that jump and got myself a coach and learned how to do it. And I mean, I do okay with it. I'm not a great trader or anything. I'm all right at it. But it's been it's been a journey, to say the least.
It's a really strong bounce on gold right now. 13 points on the last candle.
Yeah, but that's nothing compared to the movement since the open.
Yeah.
So
Very small amount.
It's just like trading NQ. Wait for that pullback. It's a good little bounce, but there's still no reason for me to get long here.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
I want to see where this what this prop firm match show is.
Music licensing reimagined.
The prop firm match.
Yeah, that's what Zach Boyajian.
Oh, Arbucci's, yeah.
Arbucci's, yeah, sorry. And Zach Boyajian's on it tomorrow with them.
They should do a show where they interview traders together and just call it Between Two Zachs.
Oh, nice, yeah.
Artlist.io.
Or they could start their own porn site and call it the same thing.
Artlist.io.
There's he's starting the duck race right now. There's 38 ducks.
Music licensing reimagined.
He's giving away top one futures straight to funded pro. The Wiz, morning everybody. Hey Wiz, how you doing?
Good morning.
Oh, I see Trevor's name on there. I see your name, Trevor. You're gonna win, bud. Oh, there's Market Butcher. I'm out in the front. That's not a good
Oh,
sign.
you're in it?
Artlist.io.
Yeah.
Was it giving away prop accounts?
No, yeah, 50K Top One Futures Pro account.
Top One Pros, those are the funded accounts, correct?
Yeah, the funded
funded.
with the intraday trailing drawdown. The pro accounts are like the cheaper ones.
Yeah, once I can manage to get my shit together, I'll go back to Top One, but
Yeah. Did you ever end up getting any Lucids?
no, not yet. I'm like I said, the managing my accounts right now
Yeah.
has been a headache, so I'm holding off for
Artlist.io.
probably another week or two before I get any more accounts.
Yeah.
It'll happen, but I need to do something because it's not the trading that's the issue, it's the management. It's reading the contracts from the prop firms and finding out what my if they have consistency rules, and can you scalp and micro scalp if they have a specific amount of time that you have to hold a trade for. Just do they allow DCA trading? And then arranging them into baskets that the rules are at least similar in each basket, and then naming each basket according to those rules. And then having that information somewhere in my head and easily accessible is just a pain in the ass.
Yeah, you almost need some sort of a cheat sheet on the side.
Oh, I have one.
Oh, you do? Yeah.
There's no way in hell I could remember all that nonsense.
Yeah.
I'm too stupid. I'm
Especially when
far
they're
too
all
stupid for that
different,
shit.
right?
Was that?
Especially when they're all different. Like if it was all the same,
Music
yeah, you can.
licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I am far too much of a dumbass to be remembering all of that stuff across multiple prop firms. All right, we got 20 minutes of green candles here on gold.
Yeah.
NQ bounced off that New York VWAP and is coming back down. It's below the 9 now.
So this is kind of a key level, I think, for gold because it's at that New York VWAP with the bands.
Artlist.io.
Or I guess I don't know if it's a New York VWAP, but it's some sort of VWAP that I got on my Trade of 8 chart. I don't know if you can see this, but it's
Hold
just
on,
like
let
the
me pull
standard
open.
VWAP, I think, and then it's got like a green lower band and a red upper band.
Music licensing.
Is that, you said that's on a Trade of 8 chart?
Yeah.
So you can use, I use TradingView, but on Trade of 8, they have one anchored VWAP that you can anchor manually every day.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
called paid to fade anchored VWAP. I don't know, so you can anchor it to whatever you want, and you can put multiple ones on the screen. So if you want to anchor New York VWAP, previous day, London session, and have them all on a chart, just change the color on them and they'll all show up.
Gotcha.
Try it if you like it, use it. If not, put it in your trash can.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Yeah, Yeah, gold's bouncing nice and strong there.
Music licensing
Good,
reimagined.
Ooh, MQ's pulling back pretty hard here.
I got a short in on NQ right now.
Nice.
Artlist.io.
Looking pretty good.
Music licensing reimagined.
How are you gonna do that to me?
Oh, geez. I was looking at the side chart on gold, and it's going the other way. Probably just a market breath.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
$51.25 is sort of that level, it looks like, if it's going to hold below that.
Music licensing
Got
reimagined.
both of the EMAs crossing right there. Some coffee.
Artlist.io.
Come on, NQ, roll over here.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it. Come on.
Trying to take those EMAs
Music
again.
licensing reimagined.
Ejected off it. Take a quick look at the viewers here. We got 5 in my X, we got 16 in your X, and 12 in Randy's X. So you actually have the most viewers right now.
That's odd. I didn't think that many people like me.
Yeah. And we got 5 in my YouTube channel and 3 in Randy's YouTube channel.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Not quite getting the same volatility as on gold as we did the last couple days, hey?
Not as
It's
much.
Not horrible.
I'm just waiting for this NQ to dump here.
Yeah, let's
Come on,
say
go
once.
down, would you?
Music licensing reimagined.
There you go. Come on, keep going. Keep going.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Oh, hell yeah.
Beautiful. There you go.
That is in total 30 minis.
Wow. That's a huge trade.
Yeah,
Music
I'm trying to be a little
licensing
patient here
reimagined.
because I'm expecting it to go down, but I really want to close this right now. moving my stop loss up to 25 130.
130, that's a lot of space still. It's
Well,
like
that's
20.
still 10 points in profit. So
Nice. Come on, don't bounce here. Don't keep going.
I keep going.
Artlist.io.
Hey, there you go.
All right, cool.
Yeah, that's very nice short.
Made 10 points on
Artlist.io.
3 micros per account, or per account.
3 minis or micros?
Oh, I'm sorry, minis.
Wow. It's like 30 micros.
Yeah, 30 micros.
10 points.
3 minis, 30 micros.
Very nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh shit, there's 10 accounts in there. 3 of them are test accounts though.
Okay.
So I only actually made any real profit on 7 of them.
Oh, I mean, you still got to get those ones funded anyways, right? So
Yeah.
still counts.
Does it though?
Huh? Not really?
If they're not paying me, it doesn't count.
Gotcha.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, NQ looks like it still wants to go lower here. Gonna go back
Yeah,
down
I'm
and retest IB low.
Waiting for a little bit before I do anything with that.
Yeah. Because we did break the low IB low. What time was that there? 7:30 right on this candle.
Artlist.io.
IB low. Okay. Yeah, gold's really been doing nothing now for some time. Sitting at that 4,050-ish level.
So you want to hear something funny?
Sure, yeah.
I didn't realize one of those accounts was a 50K account, one of the test ones. So I blew it. I just blew an account on probably 5 points of pullback on that last trade.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
now there's 9 accounts in there.
Oh, that's weird, eh? So what, the rest of them are 150s?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
So remember what I said about trying to manage these?
Yeah.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Oh damn, I should have stayed in that.
Yeah, it's looking pretty heavy currently. I'm in a short here. I'm gonna lock my stop and profit here. There we go. Hit TP. Nice.
Yeah.
So 120 in that trade. So I'm down $88 now in these accounts. Those are the kind of trades I like. When it just starts moving and it broke IB low. So I'm like, okay,
Artlist.io.
like that's a great price to enter.
Yeah. And it's nice being in and out of it quickly before the authorities show up.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
The gold's bouncing a bit finally out of that little consolidation area. And look at that, still going, hey? That NQ. See, that's where my TP hurt me there. Because
Music
it hit my
licensing
TP, took it out when I
reimagined.
could have just put my stop in there.
Yeah.
And
But
yeah, I would have been a
Your
profit.
your consistency rule means that you have to do that anyway, so
Well, no, well, not exactly, because Top 1 Futures has that built-in stop. So I already set my
oh, okay.
risk parameter for that. So on this account, it's 1,800 because it's a 150K account.
Artlist.io.
But yeah, again, that's one of those ones where I shouldn't have had that take profit in there. Forgot I just finished saying that like 2 seconds ago. I think I'm just in recovery mode, so.
Music licensing reimagined.
Recovering your accounts or recovering from the hangover from your fishing trip?
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
just broke through the bottom band.
Yeah. And new low. Jeez, 40 seconds on this candle. I'm gonna try to look left here, see what's there.
Artlist.io.
Oh, we might have room down to 24,980.
Artlist.io.
And gold got slapped down from that little breakout that it was taking. I didn't really like it. I was like, oh, this is what I was waiting for, but then I didn't really like it, so I waited, and good thing I did.
Yeah, I think I said about a half an hour ago, I would not go long on gold today.
Yeah.
I don't know if I said that in my head or if I said it out
Nope,
loud.
You said it out loud, yep. Oh, there we go.
Sorry, Dave. I'm still shit at this streaming stuff, so
What's that?
I said I'm still shit at this streaming stuff, so
I,
you know.
I think you're doing fine. You're good.
Artlist.io.
I like
just get
having you on anyways.
I get quiet and awkward.
Yeah, I mean, that's, you're just showing what everybody else is doing behind the computer
Yeah,
doing their
pretty much.
trades, right? Like, that's just, everybody's doing that. I do the
It
same
is-
thing.
Yeah, it is nice having
Licensing reimagined.
somebody to trade with, though.
Yeah, I agree.
I don't know if anybody watching this is sitting at home by themselves going, clicking buttons. It can get like real lonely.
Yeah, it's quite a lonely thing if you don't have a community to trade with, right? Yeah, it's definitely good to have another opinion, another voice, right? Because it's pretty easy to get like wound up in your thoughts about how the trade's affecting your emotions, right?
Honestly,
Artlist.io.
it's made me a much better trader too. Having you and Christine and Randy,
Yeah.
like just there to bounce ideas off of, to talk about stuff, is helpful. But the
Sure.
other thing that's really helpful is if you feel like you have coworkers, you don't want to do something stupid in front of your coworkers, like go on tilt, or open up your stop loss, or take a trade that's not in your playbook.
Yeah.
So it does kind of help to keep you in line and make sure that you do what you should be doing.
Yep. Totally agree.
Artlist.io.
Czar took a short on gold at 40.62.
Oh, nice.
Where's gold at now?
40.50. So you got it right in that when it's. Remember, I was saying it was
Music
bouncing there, and then it got
licensing
rejected hard.
reimagined.
That's where Czar went short.
All right, Czar. Been in that trade for 10 minutes and it's already a hell of a trade.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Artlist.io.
All right, I'm on Team Czar right now. I want this to drop another 50 points.
Yeah. I'm short also, actually. Like, it's funny because I got short right as he said that, but my entry's at 50. So we're kind of just flirting at my entry price right now. Come on, boys. Let's go a little lower.
Music licensing reimagined.
There we go. And a bit of a move.
Artlist.io.
40-28, 40-30, somewhere around there. That's what I'm thinking within the next 10 minutes for gold.
Music licensing reimagined.
I don't know if that's just wishful thinking, hoping that you and Czar make a fuck ton of money today, but
That'd be nice. Just flush it super hard right now. Just rip low.
Artlist.io.
Rip down to the lows. That'd be beautiful.
speaking of flushing hard, I'll be back. I'm gonna go hit the head.
Nice.
Artlist.io.
There we go. I'm out of that gold short there, so I made another about $50 or so on that
Licensing reimagined.
in my two TPT accounts. Slowly chipping away those guys. Being uber conservative because I got that stupid intraday trailing drawdown still. So if I can collect another about $1,000, then I'll get rid of that trailing drawdown. Then I don't have to worry so much about, you know, it coming back on me and stop and break even or whatever. So I'm pretty aggressive on taking my profits on those trades. Move accounts. Gonna attempt a short on the NQ here real quick.
Licensing reimagined.
Go, we're in profit. All right, stopped out. What did I make there? $30. Quick 30. So I'm only down. Oh, there we go. Now that's the move I wanted right there. Still hope gold can flush after London close. Took a short at 40.62. Oh, that was that comment from earlier. Gotcha.
Artlist.io.
Damn, NQ. Dude, you tagged my stop too early. But chipped away back at these accounts, guys. So I'm only down $60. I was down 360 at one point. So just those small little base hit scalps, being conservative, not trying to give, you know, make it any worse. Basically. Man, NQ's tape is just ripping right now. Oh my gosh. Look at those orders. This is a very, very high volume area. Are they going to take the 25,000? It looks like it's building up some like serious power to just crush right through it. And then now the tape stopped for a second? What's going on here? My NQ. I think my Project X is like frozen right now. Because Bookmap's still moving. But my NQ Project X is doing nothing.
Music
I don't know if you guys,
licensing
anyone's using
reimagined.
Project X, but is yours frozen also? Maybe I gotta reset or refresh this one. Uh-oh. looking like top one might be down again, guys, or Project X. Hey, Nick, Project X seems like it froze.
Did it?
Yeah, because let's see here. Yeah, I'm not getting
Artlist
any
IO.
movement on either Lucid or Top One Futures account. And I tried to refresh Top One Futures, and it's like frozen.
Artlist IO.
Tradeavate's still working. I'll bring Tradeavate over for now. You guys can see my little scalps here. I don't know why, but I've been actually trading much better on the Tradeavate platform than I have been on any of the Project X platforms.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, there we go. NQ's back action on Lucid. Let's see if I can get the Top One Futures to refresh though. Doesn't want to refresh on Top One Futures.
Missed my call on gold by 9 points.
Oh, you had a.
I said 40-30.
Oh yeah.
Didn't quite make it.
By 8 points, yeah. Yeah, I closed it on the sort of at the bottom of that last candle, the last 5 minute candle, previous one. Quick
Zara
$50.
closed that. Didn't. I wonder if Zara closed their trade.
You guys also caught a sweet short on NQ. I saw it flashing on PC. I was also perfect play in my book. Failed 15-minute plus VWAP rejection plus IV low rejection. Damn it. Well, I think you're sorry. I think you're a little busy with that NQ trade though, right? Or sorry,
Gold trade, you mean?
Trade, yeah.
Artlist
Yeah, Zara. I
IO.
think you're doing pretty all right today. I wouldn't be too mad at yourself for missing one NQ trade. There's gonna be another one.
Yeah.
If not sometime today, tomorrow.
Yeah, just the way that he typed that up, that seems like it's his A+ setup, right? So those are the ones where you're like, shit.
Music licensing reimagined.
Failed the 15-minute plus VWAP rejection plus IB low rejection. Yeah. Yeah, Top One Futures still just frozen.
Well, let me,
there we go. Back now.
I have a Project X account. See if
Mine came back up now, so finally. But
Artlist
it was yeah, the tape was moving so fast. I was like, yo, guys, look at this. The tape's just ripping. And then all of a sudden it just like stopped. It wasn't moving anymore. I'm like, okay, well, it's frozen, obviously. I'll be back once again.
Music licensing reimagined.
so. Project X gold seems to be working on the 5 minute.
Artlist IO.
NQ seems to be working too. So
Artlist IO.
Alrighty. Well, there's a gold bouncing now.
Music licensing reimagined.
The gold is bouncing.
NQ is not.
No.
NQ is just ugly today.
It's not being very friendly. Being
Artlist.io.
very friendly. Kind of missing all-time highs. Where you can just go long.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
What else we got here, guys? What else we got here? Maybe I should look at taking a trade in my Lucid accounts. But I kind of want to attempt to see if I can't get this account green again.
Artlist.io.
See if we can pop it up here, take the 21 EMA. Could potentially look for a long there. Little long
Music
scalp.
licensing reimagined.
Scalpy scalp.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Starting to get that move here above the 21 EMA. You're still muted if you're talking.
Sorry about that.
It's all good. I figured you had some kid duty there.
Yep. Duty is always in the vocabulary.
Yeah.
What did I say? Something about your long scalp being a good idea on NQ.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I don't know. So my Project X account is rejecting all of my orders.
Interesting.
Not sure why.
Music licensing reimagined.
Well, I might be taking a little loss on this. I took that long there, and it's instantly pulled back on me. So I need to cut this guy. Damn it! Let's go, boys. Come on.
Okay, this is getting stupid. My Project X, it's still saying the market is closed, order rejected.
Weird. Try to reset it.
I did. Reset it twice now.
Artlist.io.
Huh.
So that's an issue.
Yeah.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Afternoon, I took advantage of the free month on AFSX, so been hanging out there this last week a bit. Nice.
Good deal.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, the rules with the AFX 8 SFX TV is bust Austin's balls every time he fights VWAP.
Yeah.
Every time. There's no exception of that. Anytime he starts fighting VWAP, just
Artlist.io.
let him have it.
About it.
Give him what for? I don't know, Dave, did I tell you I did some hillbilly engineering yesterday?
No, you didn't. What did you do?
So with my Starlink not working, I went to the hardware store and bought a couple of pieces of 3-meter long PVC tubing and a coupler and a bag of zip ties.
Music licensing reimagined.
Mounted my Starlink to the PVC.
Uh-huh.
And then just started raising it up and hooking the couplers in.
Oh, yeah?
So it's sitting up in the air now,
And it's working better?
zip tied to an umbrella outside.
Oh, nice.
So it actually gets above the ridiculous amount of foliage here
Okay.
without as many obstructions,
Artlist.io.
and it's working a lot better.
Nice. Yeah, I mean, it's really about having that direct vision to the satellite, right?
Yeah.
So even the foliage and stuff can mess it up. So I am out of that long trade there. I was actually in about 160 drawdown. Ended up closing $50 profit. So that negative risk to reward. Negative.
Yeah. On this basket, I'm actually looking for another NQ short. I don't like playing longs with the price action being what it has been today.
Yeah. Looking like I really cut that way too early there. Again, this seems to be my MO today.
But you're cutting it in profit.
Yeah. It's just every time I cut it, it seems to run another like 10, 15 points. Like as soon as I cut it too.
So instead of cutting it, just move your stop loss a little bit closer. So a little bit closer.
Because I dragged my stop up into profit and then it tagged it out. But I should have like let it, give it a chance to get a little more space from my entry price, right?
Give it a little bit of room to breathe and let it grow, let it flourish.
Yeah.
Let that trade spread its wings and fly.
So Darren said,
All
I'm
right,
done for the day today. 3 small wins, 2 off of weekly London session, and then 1 quick long off the New York up to the overnight for like 6 points. Nice, that's some good trades. And my 25K took a beating the one day though, so I'm minus 200 across them right now, but clawing them back slowly but surely. Was 450 yesterday, now 240-ish across all accounts today. Okay, yeah, nice.
That's a good.
Yep.
That's a good get back.
Yeah, good trades, and then recovering those 25K accounts are pretty small, so making those, that's a pretty big loss, and then to recover, pretty nice. It's not a whole lot of room in those guys.
No, if you have to keep your size really small with that.
Yeah. Well, I don't think I'm gonna trade my funded accounts anymore. I'm down $18 in both accounts, but I've over traded these guys big time today with, you know, how many scalps I've taken.
Artlist.io.
How many scalps did I take today on this? I lost count a long time ago. 22, 630.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I have like 18 orders, although I know that some of those were add-ins and whatnot of the same trade, but that's, you know, usually I try not to take more than 3 trades in one account, and I think I'm for sure at like 5 or 6 now on this account. So
All right. Well, slow your roll there, Hoss.
but I don't like to you know, when this happens to me, I just get in damage control mode and I just kind of like slowly try to chip back the loss, right? Some tight scalps.
Yeah, I managed to stay green in all of my baskets today.
Music licensing reimagined.
And from my losses from last week. Oh shit. Okay, so I'm green about $30.24. So I recovered my losses from last week plus $30.
Nice. That's awesome.
Artlist.io.
We're back at IB low.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
And NQ still grinding higher here. Just rejected off the IB low there. Not a huge rejection, but there we go. We took it. I think we'd have to take Ralph to bathroom real quick. I'll be right back.
Do it.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
My apologies.
No problem.
So funny. Well, not funny, but you know, Ralph's like handicapped, right? So I gotta I just take him into the shower, and I got like this little 10 inches by 10 inches like fake grass turf thing. So I gotta like squeeze his bladder, and I just like pee him in the shower, and that's kind of like the little mat thing is kind of like stops it from splashing the pee, you know. So,
Music licensing reimagined.
yeah, his hind legs don't work, so I'm gonna like when they get like that, they can't control their pee. Like they can hold it in, but they can't like let it go unless you press on their bladder. So, kind of interesting.
Things we do for our animals.
Yeah.
All right, I'm looking at NQ longs right now since it's gone above the initial balance low. I need a little confirmation here.
Artlist.io.
Yeah. Looks like VWAP's at 25,150.
Music licensing reimagined.
It looks like we didn't get that drop on gold. No, yeah, it kind of held that.
Artlist.io.
Well, it did end up going to that 30 level, though, hey, Nick? Did you say 30?
Did it?
Artlist.io.
I thought you were saying. I think you were
Yeah,
saying.
it went down to 39. I called it at 30. It went down to 39 and then bounced back up immediately.
Mine was a low. Oh, okay, yeah, that was on that other one. Never mind. Yeah, you're right. Sorry, I'm looking too far back on the chart. I'm like, hey, it did go back to 30. It went down to 25. That was much earlier.
No, I was wrong on that one.
still got a decent pullback, but yeah, not all the way. And tried to take Ivy low there on NQ. Darren said I was Austin style cheating. Learned my lesson hard. Did a negative 500 day. Yeah. Sometimes those VWAP trades that they do it to me also. Some of those VWAP trades, like today, down 360 on that trade.
Licensing reimagined.
Yeah, don't treat those streams or any streams like they're signals. It's just people sharing ideas, and hopefully you'll learn something from them.
Yeah, like how they manage it and everything, right?
Yeah.
But that's kind of like
the
hard parts about that I find about watching streams is like if you didn't get in and you're watching them make a bunch of money, and then you're like, shit, like, and then you kind of like end up getting in later or something, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you got to really try to avoid those feelings.
And it's hard. I mean, the lure of a bunch of money it's a thing.
Yeah. So we're in a pretty solid channel right now.
Music licensing
Like,
reimagined.
I just put a couple lines on my chart here, and if I just noticed that like this recent rejection at the IB low just lined up perfect with the third touch on a trend line. And then, I just clone it. So it's exactly the same. I just move it to the bottom and it perfectly lines up on the bottom also. So that's how I like to make my trend lines is I'll find one side of the trend, right? And then if I can get it 2 or 3 touches on it, and then that's like pretty accurate line, I would say. So then all I do is I clone that line, and then you kind of like take it to the bottom side of the channel. So it's kind of it's a bullish channel actually. These like channels where the price is heading lower, because it's just sort of like at some point it's going to break the top of the channel. Not always every time, but majority of the times it's going to take out the top of the downward channel and then head higher, right? So, but if you're trading the range right now, you could definitely think about taking a short where we are right now, and with a stop sort of like just outside of that channel.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Just went into a gold short at 40.51.
Nice.
I don't know how nice it is, but we're going to see here in a minute.
I'm into NQ short, and I got stopped out in profit, so another $40. So I'm actually $18 profit on those accounts now. Definitely no more trades. I know I said that on the last one, but I'm gonna actually lock it out so I don't get tempted to take any more trades in this account. All day, yes. Actually, I don't want all day because I might want to take a trade in the aftermarket.
Licensing reimagined.
So do it custom. Do it like. Let's do 12.
Artlist.io.
12:30. Lock it out till 12:30. Personal lockout. All right, so my top one futures is done for the day. So I could think about taking a trade on Lucid if anything presents. How's your gold short working out here?
Music
I'm at break even right now.
reimagined.
40.50.
Yeah. 40.51.
Okay. Well, I think you need some better music, and that's gonna make the price dance lower.
Do it. You can come up with that magic music that makes the price of gold drop. I will happily listen to it.
Artlist.io.
Ocean Orleans Parish.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm gonna turn the AC on, Russ. Ralph seems a little hot for some reason.
Artlist.io.
You hot dog?
Music licensing reimagined.
Bravo. Couple points in profit there on that trade. Let's keep it going lower. You have conflicting fair value gaps currently on the 5-minute bill. So you just printed a bearish one, and you're
Artlist.io.
in the middle of a bullish one. So kind of, hopefully if you get a closure below 45, then that bullish fair value gap will be inverted, which is definitely a good sign for short.
All right, I'm gonna keep my stop
Music
loss
licensing
relatively tight.
reimagined.
This is in a personal account now too, so
Okay. Yeah, so be tight,
So-
right?
when I'm trading in a personal account, as soon as I can bring anything into break even and still allow my enough room for the trade to breathe, I do so.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, protecting that capital is most important.
Artlist.io.
There's
Yeah.
always another trade to get a W.
hmm And every once in a while, I get a runner, and that's really what I look for in my personal accounts: is minimizing risk as much as humanly possible.
Artlist.io.
If something does turn into a runner, great. Then I'll let it go.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Kind of liking your short here, though. You can sort of break the low of that last 5-minute candle.
Here it goes. Come on, push down.
Artlist.io. Music licensing
Looks
reimagined.
like we got a new comment, so I'm gonna head out and I'll catch up with y'all tomorrow. Trade safe. All right, there, Darren. Thanks so much for hanging out. Hopefully, I didn't miss you. That was about 3 minutes ago.
Thanks, Darren. See you tomorrow.
Hey. Darren's the, I think he's the professional economist from UK.
So
Artlist.io.
he knows a lot more about this stuff than I do.
Yeah.
The only thing I do is look at pretty candles and try and guess to which way they're going to go.
And keep it tight.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Come on. Take that low.
Keep going. Start dropping.
So I'm a bag holder now on
Music
MSTR, hey?
licensing reimagined.
Because Bitcoin's pulling back so hard.
Is it?
Yeah. It's been pulling back for a couple days now. What is it at? 108,000. It was like at 120 or something not long ago. 125, I think it hit. Still start of a new 5-minute candle here on this gold.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, come on. You can go down further than that.
Okay, Czar, have a good day. Thanks, you. See you try your luck during Asia. Nice. Yeah, get some rest. I think you've been up all night again, haven't you? I don't think Czar sleeps, man. Just trades all day and night.
Take care of yourself.
Yesterday's overnight trade was like 8 hour long, right? So,
It was 9 hours.
I know. Yeah.
Remember, he said it was a 9-hour trade. And
Music licensing reimagined.
wow. That's all I got to say about that. It's just,
Well, that
wow.
gold's starting to go, eh?
Yeah.
I'm in it also. So
Oh, good.
I think I'm gonna
Glad
drop
I'm not
my
alone.
break-even here, but I just don't want to do it too fast again. Come on, guys, push it a couple more little points lower here. This is my copy traded Lucid account. I got 5 accounts, so I'm definitely locking profit here. 2.5 points in profit. Hopefully we get some more continuation, boys. Don't bounce. Don't bounce.
I put my stop loss at 3 ticks into profit on this.
Artlist.io.
Nice.
And I think I'm just going to let it go for a little while. It's enough to cover my commissions and fees.
Yeah.
And if this goes in my favor, I'm good. If it doesn't,
Music
Well.
licensing
Oh, well.
reimagined.
No damage done. Let's take that low there. We need to take that 39 level now. There we go. Come on, keep going. Blast right through there. gonna be a little aggressive. I move my stop down here. I might get taken out, but I just want to lock in this $50 at least. Okay, there we go. $42 across 5 accounts.
And I got 3 points in profit now for my stop loss.
Nice. Yeah, your entry's better than mine. I was like, my entry was down at 44 or something.
Oh yeah.
Music licensing.
45.
Imagine.
45.6 I entered.
Yeah, I'm liking this short.
40. I haven't done any. I haven't uploaded any of my trades yet into TradeZella. I'm slacking, and my write-ups I've been slacking the last couple days. Well, just too busy. I haven't really had the chance to sit down and do the markups.
Yeah, unfortunately I'm in the same boat with you. I need to do them, and I know that in my head.
Yeah.
And then I get busy, and I'm just making excuses at this point.
Yeah, well, you got so many baskets to deal with and everything too. So it's, I mean, I get it. Like, you know.
Yeah, trying to put all of that information into TradeZella, because you can only put 50 accounts in TradeZella.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's only 50 accounts. So
surprised
what do I do with the rest of them?
Surprised that they would do that. Like that they would limit it like that. I feel like it's not a lot of data for them to hold. You know, it's like not like a lot of memory.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Yeah, Zach, the guy who moved to Thailand recently, he talks to us sometimes on the stream.
Music licensing.
He messaged me yesterday saying, "Oh my God, what's up with this? Like, Lucid accounts were paused, right? Because I think I told you that like they were doing some maintenance or something last night, and they had paused like all the accounts. So I opened a ticket. I'm like, what's going on with my accounts? Like, why are my accounts paused?" And they're like, "Oh, we're doing maintenance right now, so that's why it's paused." But I noticed that Zach had messaged me about 1 a.m. So I'd already gone to sleep. But he's kind of like, "What's going on with these damn paused accounts?" It's like, yeah. I know exactly what you're talking about. So I guess you got stopped out on that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got stopped out.
Music licensing reimagined.
So somewhere around 48.
47.50.
Oh, nice. Which accounts were there? This is number 4. So do you keep only funded accounts in your TradeZella then?
Yeah, only funded accounts in my TradeZella.
Okay. Yeah, since I don't know, I still feel like I want to collect all the data. So I've been, I do have my test accounts in there, but I also don't have 100 accounts. So
I don't have 100 accounts.
Oh, sorry, 90, 80 accounts.
I'm down to 80. Well, I just blew one this morning, so I'm
Yeah.
down to 85 accounts now.
That's insanity.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh yeah, I gotta upload my Top 1 Futures trades here. That
Artlist
max
IO.
profit one. Smart average trade. I still have 100% consistency on that account
Music
right
licensing
now because it's
reimagined.
like it was in drawdown rate. So, even though you make some winning trades on it, it's still in drawdown.
I hate it when that happens.
Yeah.
Artlist IO.
I'm glad I got stopped out on that gold trade.
Reimagined.
Right? It's a pretty wild beast, that thing. I've been actually liking gold, like, last little bit here. Okay, 600.
Artlist IO.
What happened?
You know what? I think,
You're gonna call it.
yeah, I am officially green
Artlist
on
IO.
all of my accounts.
Yeah.
And I got that one that I was down on from last week up
Recovered
to
that up.
$30 per account. So I'm happy with $30.
Nice. Yeah, I mean,
Music licensing reimagined.
back in money. Ooh,
What's
and
that?
you, back in the money anyways, right?
Yeah.
It's nice when recovering your losses is an awesome, it's a great thing.
Yeah, that was definitely a big win for me today, was getting those losses back into the accounts.
Mhm.
So I think today is
Artlist
cooked.
IO.
Yeah, I mean, it was a good day, for sure.
Yeah, I'm not too
I'm
mad
happy
about
I
it.
recovered my losses and I got some wins in TPT. I got some wins in my Lucid and that big win last night. So I'm pretty happy.
Music licensing
On that note, I
reimagined.
think I'm gonna go make some lunch.
Okay, bud. Thanks so much for hanging out, and maybe we'll see
Give
you
your
tomorrow.
dog a scratch for me.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, send me a message either tonight or tomorrow whenever you get a chance. I want to check out those Lucid accounts,
Okay.
and since you've been trading them and I'm planning on using your code anyway, I got a couple of
Artlist
questions about
IO.
them.
Okay, sure. Sure.
But I will talk to you later.
Sounds good.
Have fun, peoples. Trevor, have a good one.
Later, Nick. Have a good day, Trevor. Later, Skater.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm still just uploading some trades here, so I'll be around for. Oh, we'll stick around for another eight minutes. So try to get these trades uploaded here before we log out. What I
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
So we got 53 people watching right now, 28, and Nick's
Music licensing
Nick's X channel
reimagined.
just going off the hook today. Damn. 28 in Nick's X, 5 in my X, 15 in Randy's X, and then we got one person in YouTube. So chilling. All right, so I gotta also add my TPT accounts here. Reports, orders, today, download CSV.
Artlist.io. Music licensing
How was that? That was
reimagined.
6 week. Okay, one more.
Artlist.io.
All right, I think that's it. So I got the TBTs in, I got the Lucids in, I got my top
Music
one
licensing
all done.
reimagined.
Dashboard. So just taking a quick look at my calendar here, guys. So I'm currently down 1,000 on the month. Unfortunately, had a pretty big losing days back there. I don't know. Oh yeah, that was what happened there?
Artlist.io.
I don't know why this one's showing minus 7,000 right now. Did I turn off my account maybe?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
There we go. I had some accounts turned off for some reason. Yeah, so up 3.1K on the month. Couple big losing days, 6,000 on this Tuesday. Sunday, minus 2,500. I don't know if you guys heard about that one, but I was on the wrong contract size. Traded my trade, had my accounts in streamer mode,
Artlist.io.
so I couldn't see. I could tell that I was red on the trade, but I couldn't see how much it was red. And then all of a sudden I was locked out to find out that I was actually trading the minis rather than the micros. So it didn't even go against me very far, but hit my
Music
$1,000
licensing reimagined.
1250 loss limit on that day in my 2 copy traded accounts. So that's kind of why I got 2.5 negative on Sunday. Had a decent Monday, 1350, Tuesday 839, and now 390 on the day today. So pretty happy with the week so far. Slowly grinding my my take profit trader accounts towards that
Artlist.io.
buffer. We can get rid of that buffer would be nice. So I'm currently up 1,075 in those accounts, so it's about $1,000 away from stopping that intraday trailing drawdown. So that's me and YouTube.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, we got 2 in YouTube right now. Yeah, so working on those guys. Our Lucid accounts are also doing all right. We're getting those close to. Some of them are about halfway through. So I got 1450 in this account. This one's 1230, and this one is 1100. So the other 2 are still in a slight bit of drawdown. So this one's down $300 negative, and this one's down $400 negative. So hopefully we're going to be getting those back into profit, and hopefully going to pass a couple of those test counts there. Get some more funded accounts going. If I get to the point where I have too many prop firms with funded accounts, I'm definitely going to be considering going to copy trading, like the way Nick and Randy are doing it on with their Traders Post. But first, want to get some more live accounts before I do that, or funded accounts, I should say. So yeah, decent day today. Only $40 across all 5 of these listed accounts, and then, like I said, recovered my $360 loss today from the early trade there. So up $18 in my 250K top 1 futures accounts, and then I hit my daily personal daily profit target of 600 in these accounts. You have to keep it somewhat controlled because you have consistency rules, right? So I set my personal daily profit target at 600 because you multiply that times 5 is 3,000, and that's roughly where you got to be to get your payout. So with this extra $70, I got to actually make $3,350 to take a payout on these accounts, because I crossed over that $600 threshold there. So yeah, looking good. So we're 9:30 now, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up here. So thanks again, everybody who's tuned in. If you are looking for some accounts, Top 1 Futures has a decent discount right now. You can get 45 to 55% off. Oh, look at this, selling off pretty hard right now, guys, on this.
Music licensing.
Look at this crash. We're getting crushed right now. Oh, they're having somebody's talking on. They got a press conference right now, it looks like. Or is this closed? 7:47. No, that's not it. So, U.S. House Speaker Johnson is talking about waiting for some sort of a news announcement to pop up on trading or financial juice. Not seeing anything at the moment. Ooh, look at those moves, guys.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Ooh. Here we go. Trump administration is considering the plan to restrict global produce exports to China made with or containing U.S. software. The Trump administration, yeah. So they're fighting back to the trade war, guys. Trump administration considering a plan to restrict global produce exports to China made with or containing U.S. software. So I guess they're getting sick of the Chinese government basically poaching all their software. So they're fighting back in however they can. China trade war stuff. I kind of want to take a long here because it seems like every time we have these sell-offs from these types of reports, the price just tends to bounce. Oh, gold just ripped higher, guys. So at the same time that NQ's going down, gold's going up. Let's see. Bitcoin fell but bounced. What an ugly move lower though, guys. Hey, wow. Anyone who is short is just laughing right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
So formed a huge wick on that NQ. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. So anytime there's been these like tariff announcements, the price just plummets and then, you know, it recovers so fast. But too late now because it already did the pullback. Now, if this ends up turning green, I can see us definitely going back to the highs. The new China export controls under consideration by the U.S. could curb exports on a wide range of goods to China.
Music licensing reimagined.
Look at that, guys. That huge wick, and then it just straight recovered. That's what I'm saying. Every time we've had Trump news where it just drops like that, it just always relatively fast just comes right back up. So I should have acted on that, but it's just super risky, right? But look at that volume candle there, guys. So 70, almost 71,000 contracts were traded in that one 5-minute candle.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, we missed that opportunity. Could have definitely bought that. But now's not the time to be buying that. We're too late. We're too late, guys.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
What to do here, guys? What to do? Kind of want to jump in the short here. It's looking like it's pretty heavy.
Artlist.io.
Gold is going up right now.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Some pretty crazy volatility. Hard for me to walk away right now. I'm just waiting to see if we can't get some more action here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Some Trump drama.
Artlist.
Wow, Nick's channel is just going crazy on X, guys. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Feel free to follow my X account also. That would be awesome. Let me just link it to you guys here in the chat. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, actually.
Artlist.io.
But I'll put it in the chat anyways here. Let's see. Would love to get some more followers on my channel also.
Music licensing reimagined.
Don't know if you guys can. Actually, it only goes through on YouTube, so I don't know how we can get it over on X. So maybe I got to go to Nick's channel in X, or could link it on the stream somehow. Let's go banners. I'm gonna make a new banner here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
There you go. We got it.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, so if any of you guys on X do want to give me a follow also, you can see when I'm live and whatnot. I put my X channel there on the banner. The QR code on the top corner there is for Lucid Trading. They have a really good deal on account resets right now. So if you were to blow an account, the account resets are 50% off until the end of the week. So Lucid is definitely a great company. You can pass their evals in 1 day. No consistency rule, that kind of stuff. One-time fee, so you don't have to pay, an activation fee and after whatever. And then they have pretty good rules too. Once you get into into a funded account or a sim funded account. You can take your profits as soon as you get over a certain amount of trading days and once you clear that buffer.
Reimagined.
So definitely a good company to work with. Their payouts are super fast. If you're in the States, you can get it within minutes. But if you're in Canada, it takes roughly, within 24 hours anyways. It just takes a little time to get to your bank account. So there you have it. So not a whole lot happening after we got that whipsaw. Slowly grinding a little bit lower here. Was hoping for a little more volatility, but looking like that's all we're getting. So we got a huge sell-off, and then algos stepped in to sell it off, and then algos stepped in to buy it back up. So like I was saying though, every time Trump's been doing those tweets lately, anything about China and tariff wars and stuff, we just keep selling off like heavily right away and then just recovering. So it's happened multiple times now recently.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, so not much happening
Licensing
here.
Reimagined.
Maybe you should just end the stream. Oh, hey. Thanks, guys. Looks like I got some more people in my X channel there after I linked that. So appreciate anyone who did come over and hit a follow on me there. I've been having a little bit of trouble getting out content outside of my live streaming. Just been pretty busy with real estate as my main job and life in general. So I would like to put out some more content. I've come up with sort of, I want to start making some long form videos. But I'm kind of like just building a script right now for it. Got to dig through my trades and, kind of have some like flashy trades pop here and there throughout the video, and can do some voiceover and some videos, just to kind of try to produce one of my first long form videos that are just not like a recap of a trade or whatnot. So maybe a little background and some information about how I'm typically trading. So yeah. Appreciate all you guys tuning in though.
Artlist.io.
And kind of looking like we might just wrap it up here. Was hoping to stick around to see if we get a little more volatility, like I said, but seems like what we got is what we got. So we're back to the slow grind trading here.
Music licensing
Sort of stuck in this downward
reimagined.
trend on NQ. I got gold open here on my take profit trader accounts on the side, but also that's not doing much. When we sold off on NQ, gold bounced a bit and then formed a pretty big wick on the top side. So the bigger move was definitely on NQ.
Artlist.io.
So we do have like IBM earnings, Tesla earnings, and SAP earnings later today. That's around 4 p.m. I think for
Music
East Coast.
licensing reimagined.
So it looks like it's about my time. That's about it left. So should be interesting to see what's going to happen with NQ after we get some, some tech earning reports there with IBM and Tesla. I'm sure Tesla will move the market a bit. IBM maybe a little less, but
Artlist.io.
yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. So thanks so much, everybody. 14 viewers on my X, 33 on Nick X, 18 on Andy's X, and then the YouTube channels are all cleared out. So that's my sign to end it here. But yeah, thanks so much, everybody. If you are looking to buy any accounts, definitely check out Top 1 Futures and Lucid. Here's my shameless plug. You can use my code for a discount, and you send me a little kickback. Would appreciate that. MBT, Market Butcher Trades, is a discount code, and I would say they're both great companies. Lots of payouts, fast payouts, awesome support. So lots of good things. The rules are also pretty reasonable compared to a lot of the other firms. So yeah, if you're looking for an account, you can use my discount code, and I would appreciate that very much. So thanks a lot, everybody, though. We will be back tomorrow for Market Open with Randy and the gang over with him and his channel, and with Christine probably. I don't know. She's been dealing with her kids the last few days. Her kid has an earache. So hopefully we'll see them both tomorrow live in the morning. I'll probably try to get the stream growing a little bit earlier tomorrow. I slept in a little bit today to 6:30, so I'll try to be up at 6:15 for tomorrow, so we can get in 15 minutes before the market opens. See how it goes tonight. If I end up having some free time, I'm gonna try to start getting on some Asia streams. So we'll see how it goes. I got a bunch of work to take care of here. Some clients I got to email and reach out to, and if I can get everything taken care of, then we'll think about being on for the after hours market. Maybe I'll try to get around 5 p.m. or something. So anyways, thanks so much, everybody, again, and we will see you tomorrow, and have a great day. Stay green, and God bless.